welcome to my YouTube video. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to decrease 5 stitches to 1. And that's the technique that's used here to round off these cables that start and stop mid-fabric. Here's a close-up of just that portion. You can see, make it a little bit bigger, how these 2 stitches and these 2 stitches are bound off. They're slipped over and decreased off over this central stitch right here. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do this. Now, this cable is worked on a fabric of reverse stockinette stitch, and this decrease is worked on a wrong side row. So it's worked on the stockinette stitch side, and you can see it right here. So let's see how it's done. These are my 5 stitches that I want to decrease to 1, and I'm going to use the center stitch as the pole to decrease the other stitches off. Now there are several different ways to take 5 stitches down to 1. This is just one of them, but it's the one that I'm using for this sample, and this is associated with a pillow that I have for sale on Ravelry. I'll put a link to the pillow down in the description. So we're going to use the 3rd stitch of 5, these are the 5, as the center stitch. So we're going to move the yarn to the front, which is the wrong side of the fabric in this case, and then we're going to take it to the back and knit 1, and then we're going to bring it back to the front. Then we're going to slip this stitch, stitch number 2, over and off over 3, move 3 over to the left needle, slide stitch 4 over and off, move 3 back to the right needle, slip number 1 over and off, move 3 back to the left needle, and move the 5th stitch over and off. So we just have stitch 3 remaining right here, and we would work to the end of the row or the rest of the pattern as directed. So this has taken our 5 stitches and decreased it to 1 right here. This is what it looks like on the wrong side. This is what it looks like on the right side. And again, this is on the little swatch right here. So this is that number 3 stitch right here. And you can see how it just makes this perfectly round top to the cable. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. That makes me feel good. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The link for the pattern will be down in the description. I'll put a link up here to the playlist that goes with this cable pillow. There's lots of other interesting techniques on it. And come back and watch some more. Happy knitting!